Hey everybody, just decided to do a quick unboxing of the 11-in-1 magnetic screwdriver slash nut driver. The Klein model number is 32500MAG. There have been other versions of previous versions of this one. I have this, actually I have them, and I have been fascinated. I have been using those excessively. I mean, they're really good tools. And Klein, frankly speaking, does not spare any expense in making this a quality product. Although I should say I've seen well, people snap that midsection, like right here, where it's a little bit thinner. People would snap that. I've tried, frankly speaking, and I never gave way. I mean, I'm a very heavy guy, I have my hands very strong, but unless I'm hammering this on this end, unless I'm hammering it hard, I would never be able to snap that. To me, it's amazing how a piece of plastic can hold so much weight, but it is what it is. So one thing very characteristic about this is the small nut drivers, the small bits. Really like those. Very good retention, so it doesn't come all of a sudden come flying out. So very good retention there, at the expense of having to push it harder and needing more force to take it out. No ridge there as far as I can see for the retaining bowl here. I don't see any ridge there. I don't see any ridge inside, but at the same time has a very positive hold to it. This is in like two dimensions, two shapes. What should I say? Are they one and the same? Yeah, I believe so. Yep, you can easily transpose them. Those are small Torx bit. Okay. Come on. I wish they had a design like Milwaukee's, where this is also a nut driver, and they would have this instead of crimped here. They would have this as a hex. So, just one piece that nobody thought about it. So those are square bits. Of course, you can buy those in any different configuration that you might feel like it. They're very inexpensive, and you can mod your tool any way you like. Yep. Phillips. And let's see the sizes of those. Sizes are 1, 2, 3/16, 1/4, and then square number 1, number 2, Torx T10, T15, and then hex 1/4, 5/16, and then 3/8. Those are the important sizes anyway, so definitely a good tool. This is a new thing, this ridge here, and also a magnetic. They have a magnetic insert all the way in. Or I might be wrong. It is slightly magnetic, very small. Yeah, just slightly magnetic insert. That's interesting. This thing is a new feature, this ring here that corresponds to 2 dimples right here, to just give you a very small but tactile and distinct snap inside. Yep, like this. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.